No, I'm taking a video.
Oh.
That joint hard,
I
bro.
don't like that.
What you mean you don't like that? That joint is hard. These motherfuckers. Huh? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This motherfucker is nice. Old school, everything original besides that radio. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that truck.
Look at the army truck. Why look at the army truck?
Mm.
Last one. Look at the army truck and then to the other pickup. That's the army truck.
Not necessarily an army truck, but a heavy duty joint.
It's designed to look like a heavy duty.
Power wagon. Oh, they got some power. And you know it's crazy? Everybody said keep my rust. They was like keep that rust on there.
No, you don't want no rust on it. What?
Nah, look. You should notice how everybody brought their stuff out and they got dents in it and rust and some more stuff.
Yeah, you don't want rust.
Yeah, it don't make a difference. You get what I'm saying? Because you just want your car to be what it is. If you ain't got the money to fix it and get it all pristine like that, you want to check that one out? If you ain't got no money to make it perfect, you just leave it how it is. Yeah, you see this shit? Look at that. Oh, old school original. That mug is nice.
Not my style.
Look, and then you got it.
This is what I want.
Yeah, look at this.